remove the excess from the sides, open it, and your snowflake is ready. Next, take a paper, like this from each side. Draw the lines on it. Cut it very carefully. Shape paper cutter. Next, we have to fold the paper like this. The lines. You can decorate it as per your choice. The sides are like